Okay, believe it or not, we're going to turn this girl here into a lamp. We're going to cover her with itty bitty Scrabble pieces. We're going to come out the top, the lamp shade up here. It's going to be awesome, of course. Yes. What is it? What, girl? Come on now. And we got to have lots of Scrabble pieces. But as we go through this, we're working it up on the sides, and we have to keep rotating her. And I've got her clamped up. We got this sander to adjust the pieces. Okay guys, it took forever to put all these pieces on it. Started out easy, places like this, awesome, but all these little curves, all these little round things here, it was just hard to cover them. It just, every piece was cut. So, ta-da! So, was it easy to put them on? No. Very time consuming. I think I wound up using maybe 2,000, a little over 2,000 pieces. But I'm so pleased with it. With everything done, the next step is get the wire through the body. And one thing I found out is this foam is super dense, super hard. So my idea is that I can screw this with the lamp going through into the base. But I think I need to test it first. So I'm gonna grab a couple of screws and see what I can do. So I'm thinking that's gonna be okay. We're gonna glue it too. In fact, the foam takes glue very well. But I know that when we build it, first thing's gonna happen is people are gonna take the shade off, they're gonna tote it around by this. So we're gonna probably put 3 screws into the foam. We got to snake a wire from here to here. And I had thought that it was hollow. I thought wrong. So let's see if we can drill through. That's very close. That's okay. It missed. I think the fabric gave it the most problem. Getting close. Okay, I think I'm gonna let the glue set up before I put the screws through, and I also need to fill in this little one.